Hey there, Q-tubers. Today we're taking the PK grill to a new level. That's right, look at that. Putting a top rack right there. What we're doing is adding an elevated cooking rack, which is going to give us access to the coals. See, just like this. Now, the PK offers a top cooking grate, but it sits on the lower cooking grate, and you don't have access to the coals. Now, this gives you cooking surface all over the complete cooking surface. That's the plan. Direct cooking. You could go and manipulate your charcoal. You might get a hot spot, so now you have access to it. And let me just show you what I have here. This is stainless steel all thread, and we have stainless steel serrated flange nuts. I'll show you these. Got these off of Amazon there. Same with these stainless steel all thread. Now, they were originally 12 inches. I cut them down to 10 inches. Let me show you the height where we're at, to where we're able to close the lid. So that's just about, see what that is, 8 3/4. 8 3/4. Yeah, about 8 3/4 right there, all the way around. And this grate here come from the that cooker right there. And let me just show you what we have here. You have the serrated nut, flange nut on the bottom, and then one on the top. You just tighten those up, just like that. And what it does is you don't need any washers on there. So with getting those flange nuts, and then right here just have a regular stainless steel nut. This is 5/16 rod right here, so 5/16, and you just tighten those up, and see, that gives you a nice surface to sit on for your grate. And what we're doing, I always got to use the Auber Instruments stoker. You guys have seen that in the past. I'm going to use that temp controller, Auber Instruments. And alright, so let's get some charcoal in here, get it lit, and we're going to see how this works. Alright, we got about 2 layers of the Humphreys hardwood charcoal briquettes, and we'll use our torch. We'll get these lit, we'll mix them up, and we'll add a little bit of hickory chips in there. Alright, we got the briquettes lit. Got the Auber stoker set to 225. Got my new sensor, probe sensor. Had to replace the old one. Not a problem with this Auber Instrument stuff. So you can see the grate up there. See the height we have. We could go ahead, we get a hot spot, just move around and manipulate those charcoal. Bottom vents are closed. Just go ahead and close this. That closes nice. Cut the top vents open about halfway here. Alright. We'll let that go. Throw a couple hickory chips in there when we're ready to throw on some meat. Taking the PK to a new level. Heavy metal style. Alright, let's get these chicken thighs and ribs on there. It's looking good. Alright, looking good. The ribs, chicken thighs, threw some of those hickory chips on there. We'll close it up, get the stoker back. going. And be ready to rock and roll. Get a little smoke on them at 225, then we'll turn it up to 275 for that direct cooking. Elevated direct cooking. Alright, so let's take a look at this here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Now this is what I'm talking about. We could just go ahead, we get a hot spot, some hot coals, move them around. See, I got access to this. Now if that bottom grate was on there, you wouldn't be able to do this. Now this is my new favorite kind of cooking. You know, you wanna be able to get in there and shake up that charcoal like this, and you can't do it in some of those other cookers. Now this is just taking the PK to a whole new level. I think you will agree. Heavy metal style. Well, we're running out of daylight here. Let's take a look at these. Looking pretty good. Get a temp. See what we got. 95, 97, 98, 99, 201. Yeah, they're just about done. 95, 6, 7. Alright, let's flip them back over. Or actually, I think what I'm going to do is sauce them. Alright, so let's sauce them up with this Stubbs Sweet Heat. Alright, just like that. Go ahead, flip them over. How nice they look. Really nice. That direct with the juices dripping down on the coals, coming back up. That's the taste. That's the taste that I like lately. Yep. Just like that. Just like that. And the PK. Elevated heavy metal style. Alright, would you look at that? Alright, nice little smoke ring. They got that taste. Hey missus, you want to give a little taste test here? Chomp into one of these and give us your opinion.
Can I have this one?
Sure, take that one. Give it a taste. Or don't taste it, eat it.
Well, it's good.
Yeah, it's got that good done over direct coals taste. That's where it's at, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright folks, well, the Elevated PK. Thanks for watching. Heavy metal. Metal on.